Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Goland Upazila Online School. This is Lutfur Rahman. I have been working as an assistant teacher in Goland Upazila High School. How are you students? I expect that you all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Dear students, in my last class I have discussed about change of degrees, that is superlative to positive. Now I will discuss about comparative to positive degree, part 2. Dear students, I hope you all are ready to watch this class with books, pens, exercise books, etc. Dear students, I hope in my last class I have discussed about change of degrees. I know you all understand about this. Dear students, let's start today's lesson. First of all, I will write a sentence on the board. Notice the board. Shuni is greater than any other boy in the orphanage. Or PHANAZE, orphanage. My dear learners, do you know what type of this sentence is? What type of degrees this sentence is? This sentence is superlative degree. What can I know? How can I know the superlative degree? In this case, competitive degree. How can I know the competitive degree? In this case, you have to remember that competitive form of adjectives. After that, then we have to, then it will be competitive degree. Now I will write a sentence on the board. No other boy in the orphanage is so great as Rooney. Students, can you tell me what type of degree it is? It is a positive degree. Positive degree. How can we know the positive degree? In this case, you have to remember that great is a positive form of adjectives. Before, so, after, as, then it will be positive degree. Dear students, now my today's lesson is comparative to positive degree. comparative to positive degree. Comparative to positive degree. Students, notice the board. I have written a sentence on the board. Rooney is greater than any other boy in the orphanage. It will be we can change the sentence from comparative to positive. At first, no other, then the next part of the comparative degree, that is boy in the orphanage. Then bhar, after that so or as, then the positive form of comparative degree. After that as. At the end of the sentence we will write the subject given sentence. I will write the subject of the given sentence, that is Rooney. Now I will make a structure according to this sentence. At first, no other, after that the next part of the comparative degree. Comparative degree. The next part of then any other, oblique, then all other. The next part of then any other or then all other. After that bhar, then so or as, then the positive form of the comparative degree. After that as. At the end of the sentence I will write the subject of the given sentence. Dear students, notice the structure. No, the next part of then any other or then all other. After that bhar, then so or as, the positive form of the comparative degree, as. At the end of the sentence the subject of the given sentence. No other. At first I have written no other, then the next part of then another or then all other, that is boy in the orphanage. Then bhar is. After that so. Then the positive form of the comparative degree, that is great. That is great. Then as at the end of the sentence, the subject of the given sentence, that is Rooney. That is Rooney. Dear students, I think you all understand what I have discussed about the first rule of comparative to positive degree. Now you have to change a sentence from comparative to positive. Dhaka is larger. Dhaka is larger than any other city. Dhaka is larger than any other, than all other. Dhaka is larger than all other cities in Bangladesh. My dear learners, you have to change this sentence from comparative to positive according to this structure. Right? I think you all can change this sentence from comparative to positive. First of all, no other city in Bangladesh is so large as Dhaka. Students, I have written this sentence according to the structure. According to the structure, first of all, I have written no other, then the next part of then any other or then all other, that is city in Bangladesh. City in Bangladesh. Then verb is after that so. Then the positive form of comparative degree, that is large, as at the end of the sentence the subject of the given sentence Dhaka. No other city in Bangladesh is so large as Dhaka. Students, now I will go to the next rules of comparative to positive degree. Comparative to positive degree. First of all, I will write a sentence on the board. Zamil is wiser than Hassan. Zamil is wiser than Hassan. This is a comparative degree. We have to change the sentence from comparative to positive. This is an affirmative sentence. This is an affirmative sentence. Now I have to change the sentence from comparative to positive degree. Hassan is not so wise as Jamil. Hassan is not so wise as Jamil. Now I will make a structure according to this sentence. The next part of then, the next part of then verb, if the sentence is affirmative, if the sentence is affirmative, then we will use not. Then we will use not, or the sentence is if the sentence is negative, if the sentence is negative, then it goes up. After that, so or as, then the positive form of the comparative degree. The positive form of the comparative degree. Then as. After that, the first subject of the given sentence. The first subject of the given sentence. Students, notice the board. According to the structure, Hassan, the next part of then, Hassan. Then verb is, this sentence is affirmative. Then we will use not after verb. So after that, then the positive degree, the positive form of the comparative degree, wiser, that is wise. Then as at the end of the sentence, the first subject of the given sentence, Jamil. The Hassan is not so wise as Jamil. When the sentence is affirmative, then we will use not after verb. Then when the sentence is negative, then it goes up. Students, now it's your turns. He is strong. He is stronger than I. He is stronger than I. This is an affirmative sentence. Now I will change this sentence according to the structure. Students, can you change this sentence from comparative to positive? If we want to change from comparative to positive degree with then we have to follow the structure. The sentence is affirmative. Now, first of all, I will write subject. The next part of then, that is I. Verb am. The sentence is affirmative, so I will use not. I am not so strong as he. I have changed this sentence from comparative to positive according to this structure. Now you have to change a sentence from comparative to positive with then. Tipu is not more intelligent. Tipu is not more intelligent than Deepu. My dear learners, you have to change this sentence from comparative to positive according to this structure. Can you change this sentence from comparative to positive degree? Okay, I think you can change this sentence from comparative to positive degree, right? The sentence is negative. First of all, I will write Deepu, then verb is so intelligent. Deepu is so intelligent as Tipu. Deepu is so intelligent as Tipu. Students, by this time I have discussed about comparative to superlative degree. I have discussed about two rules. I have discussed two rules about comparative to positive. I think you all understand what I have discussed. Now I am going to the next rules. Students, first of all, I will write a sentence on the board. My dear learners, notice the board. The cow is more useful. The cow is more useful than most other animals. The cow is more useful than most other animals. This is a comparative degree with than most other. Now I will try to change this sentence from comparative to positive degree. Positive degree. First of all, I will write very few. Then I will write the next part of than most other, that is animals. Very few animals. Now I will write verbs, the plural form of verbs, that is are. Very few animals are so useful as the cow. Very few animals are so useful as the cow. Now I will make a structure according to this sentence. First of all, very few, then the next part of than most other, or than all other. Then the plural form of verb. Then after that, the positive form of the comparative degree. Then as at the end of the sentence, I will write the subject of the given sentence. My dear learners, notice the board. Very few. After that, the next part of then most other, or then few other. Then most other, or then few other. Then most other, or then few other. Then the plural form of verbs. So the positive form of the comparative degree, that is comparative degree. Then as At the end of the sentence, I will write the subject of the given sentence. Dear students, you have to change a sentence from comparative to superlative, comparative to positive. Iron is more useful. Iron is more useful than most other. Iron is more useful than most other metals. Students, you have to change this sentence from comparative to positive according to this structure. Can you change this sentence from comparative to positive? I hope you all can change this sentence from comparative to positive according to this structure, right? Okay. I will change this sentence according to this structure. First of all, very few. Very few. Then the next part of then most other, that is metals. Metals. Verb are. The plural form of verb is, that is are. So the positive form of the comparative degree, that is useful as the subject of the given sentence, iron. Very few metals are so useful as iron. Dear students, I have discussed 3 rules about comparative to positive degree. I hope you all understand what I have discussed about comparative to positive degree. Now I am going to the next rules. The next rule is first of all, I will write a sentence on the board. He is no less strong. He is no less strong as he is no less strong than you. I have to change this sentence from comparative to positive. Then what to do? Now I will change this sentence. He is as strong as you. He is as strong as you. Students, notice this board. I have used as in place of no less. In place of no less. Then I have used as in place of than. In place of than. Notice the board. The correct answer, in this correct answer, I have written as in place of no less. In place of no less. After that, I have written as in place of than, in place of than. If we want to change from comparative degree to positive degree with no less or not less, then we have to follow these rules. No less or not less in place of as, in that place and as in that place for than. Dear students, by this time I have discussed 4 rules about comparative to positive degree. I expect that you all understand what I have discussed about comparative to positive degree. Now I will give some sentences on the board for practice at home, that is homework. Number 1, Hassan is more intelligent. Hassan is more intelligent than any other boy. Hassan is more intelligent than any other boy. Number 2, a plane flies faster than a bird. A plane flies faster than a bird. Number 3, gold is more valuable than most other metals. Number 4, Jim and Della were not as wise as the Magi. Dear students, I have written 3 sentences on the board. You have to change those sentences according to what I have discussed. This is the homework. I hope you will practice at home. Dear students, by this time I have discussed about comparative to positive degree. Today I have discussed 4 rules comparative to positive degree. Students, You have to practice at home. My dear learners, be safe, stay home. That's all for the time being. Thanks for being with me for so long. Allah Hafiz.